Hello, everyone. Here's a useful plugin for engineering teams. When you work on large projects, people often use Xrefs, external references. They are a good tool because they let you split a project into several files, and different people can work on them at the same time. But Xrefs also have some problems. The first problem is layers. Every Xref brings its own layers, styles, and settings. If they have the same names, they are still imported. In our example, it's not a big problem because we have only a few files. But imagine a large project with 5 engineers, where every drawing has 100 of the same layers. Instead of a clean layer list, you get a huge number of layers that you have to manage manually. The second problem is that Xrefs work only with whole files. If you want to update just one block, you can't replace only that block. You have to work with the entire external reference. The third problem is sharing the project. With Xrefs, you have to keep all linked files and their paths. If one file is missing or the folder structure changes, the links stop working. Sending the project to a client or opening it on another computer becomes an extra task. That's why we created another solution. I'm Michael, and this is AVC School. Let me show you. I'm taking blocks from different DWG files and inserting them into my main drawing. Now let's say one of the source files has changed. I open it, make some changes, and save it. Back in the main drawing, I run the bupdate command. I select the updated file, and the plugin automatically finds the block with the same name and replaces it with the new version. I don't have to select only one file. I can choose a whole folder, and the plugin will update every block with matching names. That's it. The block in the main drawing is updated, and there are no external links or dependencies. I can send this DWG file to a client or open it on another computer. Everything is already inside the drawing. Look at the layers. They're merged by name, so no duplicate layers are created. Everything works inside one clean layer structure. No more long manual work that can sometimes take hours. And you can spend that time on something better, like having a cup of coffee. See you in the next video.